Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Alpha Mercy again, alright, and I hope you're doing well, because I'm doing well as well by the grace of God. So today, last time we had talked about a brief introduction to PowerPoint, and today I wanted us to expound a bit more on it. There are beautiful things we talked about there, and in case you missed, just know that you're missing a lot. Kindly click the subscription button, the like button, so that you do not miss on any of the videos. When they come in, you always have a notification. Well, so talking about the PowerPoint again today, we are magically going to look at how to make a presentation. Let's assume that you have maybe typed in your work and you just want to design and make it look better, or you want it to captivate the attention of the listeners, the people that you're listening to. So what do you do? When you look at my presentation, you do realize that I have words coupled with pictures, because they always say that a picture it always speaks 1,000 words. So just by a picture, someone could be able to know what you're talking about. And in case you would want to insert in these pictures, because they're easier to find, you can just go to Google or the Google Chrome and be able to type in anything that you're looking at. For example, if you're maybe talking about transport, you realize that you have so many pictures here, and you can actually just tap on this and you come and copy image, and you can come to your presentation where you are and be able to post it there. Okay, maybe let's do it here, some open space. You can come and paste as picture and it comes there, but we might have to delete this because our interest today, it's not about that. We're going to talk about communication. Okay, so I come and delete it. So we go back to where we are. Now in that format, you can be able to add as many pictures as you want, and it should be able to rhyme with your presentation. So I would prefer that we use what we call the master slide, because it controls the look of your entire presentation. In that when you use it, it can be able to shape all your other slides, so that you do not have to do the entire work manually. Like you'd have to do it one by one slide. You can just use master slide, and everything is sorted for the other slide. So of these tools that we talked about, today we are going to expound more about them. When you come to view, you can be able to find the slide master here. You click on it. Okay, and it's telling you click to edit master title slide, style. And so on the title here, we can come to home. Okay, and you choose what you're going to work with. For example, we could use the Times New Roman font. That is on home, and the heading can stay at size 44. That's okay. So you can also come to design here and be able to choose how you want it to look. Okay, maybe that way. And you have to choose depending on your audience. So because, for example, you realize that everything that I'm doing is appearing here. Like you can be able to see that it changed, the designs changed. So that's an added advantage to master slide. Well, so for the for the heading again. Just come and click on it, highlight. Let's go to transitions. That will determine how the titles will appear for every slide. So if we use fade, that's how it's going to appear. So that's how we do it. You can also go to animations. Animations usually we can use for these other slides that come after the title, and you can be able to choose. Maybe you want it to fly in. That's how it will be like. So after you're done, remember it's going to work for all of them. We are going to see how that works. Well, then you can come to the slideshow and let it start from the beginning. You can see how it's appearing. That's how it's going to be. Okay, outline, definition, types. So every time you talk about it, you can talk about transactional process after you finish. You tap, it brings you sending and receiving after you finish. When you type, you can see that it's flying in. Okay. Okay. So you can literally see that we worked on one of them, but it has applied on all the slides. So that is how we do with the master slide. And in case you also want to still edit other things, you can always come and edit. For as long as you use the master slide, it's going to appear on all the slides. Otherwise, as brief as possible. That's how we do it. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you've been able to learn a lot, and have a good evening. Thank you. But do not forget to save your work. You remember I told you how it is saved, either Ctrl S, or you come to Files and you click on it and you save as if you had not yet saved. Of course, you will come to desktop documents depending on where you want it to be. For example, mine could be PPT, as simple as that, and you save. That's just how we do it, as simple as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.